Good evening and welcome to our unboxing of the new 3rd edition Team Yankee World War III starter set. Just have a look at what it contains. As you can see, it should include an American force including 3 Abrams tanks, 4 SAW teams, that's squad assault weapon teams, 3 Dragon anti-tank teams and 4 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, a Soviet force which includes 4 T-80 tanks, 4 AK-47 teams, 3 RPG-7 teams and 4 BMP infantry fighting vehicles. It also includes an A5 rulebook, quick start guide, unit cards and 20 dice. And now let's see what's inside. I see things, lots of wondrous things. One key difference between this and the 2nd edition starter set is that it contains the new all-plastic infantry. We have a Russian motorised platoon, the American equivalent, and then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 Bradley kits, 1, 2, 3 and 4 BMP kits, 4 T-80 kits, and of course 3 Abrams kits. In addition, as it says, we have the quick start guide which shows us the vehicle cards and stats, construction destructions, again the Soviet equivalents, and of course upselling. We also get relevant bases, the dice as promised. Something that wasn't mentioned are vehicle commanders for both the Soviet and American vehicles. And then we have a little baggie with the A5 rulebook and the unit cards. All in all, quite a nice little bundle. I do thank the people at Sheppy Models for letting me have this a little early. But all in all, well worth the wait. Let's have a closer look at some of the models. I have a couple of LAW models on the sprue and some platoon command figures. Similarly, on the Russian sprue, we have the RPG-7s, but also we have the PKM light machine guns. So in theory you could put together 1, maybe 2 teams of those, as there are 3 on the sprue. With the Bradley, no, this is the Abrams, we have different frames for the stowage and a choice of barrels and support weapons for the pintle. And again, I believe this is the later M2A2 Bradley. In fact, it says so in the top corner, but it's upside down. But an excellent little kit with plenty of rivets to keep rivet counters happy. And the T80, not as many options as you get on the Abrams, as in you get one pintle weapon and the one barrel, but still great looking kit. And as usual with Battlefront's plastics, very easy to put together. And finally, the BMP-3, I believe. Oh, yep, that's what it says. So, again, quite a nice detailed kit. There's not really much to say when there's so few parts, but it is excellent detail. Thank you. I will finish this video with some shots of painted models from the Battlefront webpage. See you all soon.